Top 5 Ghosts Caught on Camera. Poltergeist. Wikipedia defines a poltergeist as, quote, a type of ghost or spirit that is responsible for physical disturbances, such as loud noises and objects being moved or destroyed. Most accounts of poltergeist describe the movement or levitation of objects such as furniture and cutlery, or noises such as knocking on doors. In this video, we'll check out 5 videos of supposedly real evidence of poltergeists caught on tape. The Slamming Door. The Slamming Door started out as a combination blog and YouTube channel by a man in Poland. On the channel, he documented what he claimed was activity by a poltergeist caught on camera in his home. At first, there were some relatively unimpressive posts of some objects moving around, seemingly on their own. But then, there was this post.
Kurwa, jeszcze nie teraz, jak w sobotę. Kurwa mać. No nie było dobre połączyć, żeby tu wrócić. Za chuj.
As to be expected on the internet, people were very skeptical. So the Slamming Door channel began to record with multiple cameras, documenting the strange occurrences simultaneously from different angles. After a year of posting videos of strange phenomena that he claimed were ghosts caught on camera, the YouTube account The Slamming Door suddenly stopped posting. This was his final video.
Ja muszę wziąć stąd tylko klucze.
O, ale masz schody.
Ja muszę stąd wziąć tylko klucze.
Okej.
Wychodzimy.
Dobra.
Wychodzimy.
Wychodźmy szybko. Co to miało? Kompas.
Agnieszka, zaspokoję. Jeszcze dziwne, muszę zacząć.
Ja się boję, bomba, wyjdźmy stąd już, proszę cię, co?
Słyszysz? Mówiłem ci, że tu się dzieją dziwne rzeczy.
Co się dzieje?
Idziemy. Czekaj, muszę zamknąć dom.
So were these posts of a real ghost caught on camera, or just a hoax carried on way too long? You decide. The Thing on the Stairs. On the YouTube channel Chasseau de Fantôme, a French ghost hunter named Jerry posts videos of his paranormal investigations. In this video, he's exploring a house where a father took the lives of his wife and 2 children before taking his own life.
Les enfants, vous êtes là? Ok. Merci. Merci beaucoup. D'accord. Je vous ai compris. Merci. Alors, je vais monter.
After climbing 2 sets of stairs into the abandoned house's attic, Jerry attempts to communicate with the ghost via a spirit box.
Y'a quelqu'un?
But then he hears something else that draws his attention away. Something is moving on one of the floors below.
Avez-vous besoin d'aide? Excusez-moi. J'ai entendu un bruit.
Now there's something else in this video that even Jerry didn't notice. It was pointed out by YouTube commenters. As Jerry makes his escape down the second flight of stairs, he briefly pans his camera back up the stairwell behind him. It almost looks like a child is standing on the stairs watching him run away. So, real ghost video caught on camera? Or just a stair banister caught at the right camera angle and the right lighting? Let me know what you think down in the comments. The Barnby plays Ghost. As a teenager, Adam Mawson realized that there was something just a bit off about his family home in Yorkshire, England. The house was built over a cemetery, and at the end of the road there was an industrial building where 14 people, mostly children, had lost their lives in a devastating fire. Beginning in 1991, young Adam Mawson began to document strange occurrences around their home, encounters that he believed to be real ghosts caught on camera. Late one night, while hanging out with his brother and a friend, they hear a mysterious banging sound. The disturbing pounding noise seems to actually come from inside the walls of the house.
Yeah, that's it.
Warm there.
What the fuck was that?
I don't know, but it was fucking close. Film the fucking thing.
You wanker, I've got it on. It's recording as well.
I'm gonna die here. My head's fucking...
Shut up!
Months later, Adam catches a truly scary video. He puts a camera just outside his bedroom door and sets it to film down the hallway overnight. The next day, he's shocked when he reviews what he caught on tape. Adam Mawson filmed a scary ghost video that still remains one of the most popular supernatural videos on the internet. So are these real ghosts caught on camera? You decide. Adam Mawson says that this paranormal activity continued for 7 years, until he and his brother were adults, and then suddenly, mysteriously, it all just stopped. Perhaps creepiest of all, Adam says his parents still live in the haunted house to this day. Something in the attic. I found this next video in an old post on a private paranormal message board. The video poster claimed that they had often heard strange banging noises coming from their attic, but whenever they went to check, there was nothing there. The person was asking for advice on what to do about the sounds. Now, this video is so extreme that it seems like it would have to be fake, maybe just someone looking for attention. However, it should be noted that this video was posted as unlisted on YouTube, and you can't access it without a direct link. So it seems the poster wasn't looking for attention after all. So is this a real ghost caught on camera? Is it a poltergeist? Or just someone with too much free time and a friend doing gymnastics in their attic? Let me know what you think. The Thirsty Ghost. The Oxxo convenience store in downtown Tlaquepaque, Mexico seems like a very unlikely place for a haunting. However, workers and patrons at the store claim to have had many ghostly encounters at the roadside stop.
¿Está grabando? Estoy aquí en el Oxxo de Parques del Bosque. Estaba ya haciendo una recarga cuando se me empezaron a apagar las luces. Para que no digan que no es cierto. Les va. Vean. No mames, güey. Vean. Se mueven esas madres. Vean cómo se mueven los refrescos. Vean. Las luces. No mames. ¡Ah, no mames! ¡Vean la verga! Se abrió. Se está moviendo. Están moviendo los refrescos. Vean. No. ¡Ah, la vez! Está abierta esa puerta. Vean. Vean cómo se mueve todo. Ya no se movió. A la verga. A la verga. Vean. Una botella. No mames. Chinga la verga, güey. No mames, déjale llamo al Toño para que valga verga.
On some occasions, the bizarre paranormal activity reached such extremes that it scared both workers and customers right out of the store.
¡Ya te dije, cabrón! ¡Lárgate! Nita, güey. ¿Ya no estoy atrás, güey? La puerta estaba cerrada con llave, te consta, güey. ¡Lárgate a la verga, cabrón! Dios está con nosotros, güey. Ahora sí hay alguien allá atrás, güey. ¡Ve la puerta, la puerta! ¡Que te largues, cabrón! ¡Que te largues, cabrón! O sea, allá en la casa han salido volando todas las cosas. ¿Qué pedo, güey? ¿Qué? Lárgate, güey, lárgate. Dios está con nosotros, güey. Ya te dije, güey, lárgate, lárgate, güey. Lárgate a la verga, güey. Dios está con nosotros, güey. Aquí está Dios con nosotros, güey. A la verga. Mira, otra vez la puerta, la puerta, la puerta. ¿O sigues ahí, güey? Lárgate, cabrón, lárgate. Dios está con nosotros, güey. Lárgate. ¿Qué? ¿No crees en Dios o qué? Te lo estoy diciendo, güey. Te lo estoy diciendo. No te estoy cucando, güey. Ya, vete a descansar, vete a descansar. Ya, güey, la puerta. Te estoy diciendo. A ver, ¿qué? El Toño no está, güey, me acaba de llamar. Este güey escuchó cuando me habló. No hay nadie, güero. Nadie, güey. Ven, ¿y la cerveza, güey? Pues que se están moviendo las cosas bien cabrón. Que sigues ahí, chingada madre. Lárgate, güey. Aquí está Dios con nosotros, güey. La puerta del refri. No estés mamando, güey. Ya lárgate de aquí, güey. Vea, las puertas. Pero ahora sí hay alguien. Adentro. Mira, está temblando, mira. Está temblando. Deja de estar mamando allá adentro, cabrón. Mira, güey, el anaquel por dentro. Ya se pusieron estas luces aquí. Wow. Y no hay nadie. Que no hay nadie. No, ¿sabes qué, carnal? Yo, con tu permiso, ahí nos vemos. Tú chambeas aquí. ¿Sabes qué me da tu caso? La neta. Ahí nos vemos.
So is this a real ghost caught on camera, or just some local convenience workers pulling a prank? What do you think? That's all for this week. Huge thanks to Edu for once again providing Spanish subtitles. Be sure to check him out on Twitter at edubsus. Now, whether you believe that any of these videos are real or not, I have one parting question, and I'd love to read your answers down in the comments. That question is, do you believe in ghosts? And if you do believe in ghosts, or if you don't, let me know why.